Hello everyone, this community is in St. Cloud. You're only 20 minutes from the airport, and as you can see, they are very nature friendly. All of these homes have solar panels. The base price starts at $461,990. There's walking trails, a playground, and a community pool. You can have 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and there's 1,889 square feet of living space. You have 6 different floor plans to choose from. This one has 4 exterior elevations. You have a full-size bathroom with a linen closet. And then at the front of the home, you have your first bedroom. Over here is a closet. If you don't need the extra bedroom, you can have a flex room instead. And then we come into your second bedroom. If you are looking for a quick move-in, there's none available on this floor plan, but there are a couple available now that are 4 bedrooms with 2,877 square feet. So a little larger floor plan. I love this gathering room right when you come in the entryway. In the kitchen, you have the quartz countertops included. Whirlpool appliances. The pantry is nice long pantry space, and then you have your dining right next to your covered lanai. Some of your other included features are the recessed lighting and tray ceilings in the gathering room. It's really a nice floor plan. Lots of open space. There is a 2-car garage. And then you have your laundry room space here behind me. A little drop zone area. Lots of cabinetry in here with a sink. And then we come into your primary bedroom suite. You have a walk-in closet. And then we come into the bathroom. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more video tours like this. Click the like button. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, send me a text, or give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.